Okay, today we have a frog problem. Well, it's not really a problem because he's eating quite a lot. Let's look at what it says. A frog eats 5 flies. Should really have a period at the end there, or a comma. Another frog eats 10 flies, comma. Another frog eats 15 flies. If this pattern continues, comma, how many flies will the 6th frog eat? The 6th frog. So this is frog number 1, 5 flies. Frog number 2, 10 flies. Frog number 3, 15. Do you hear a pattern there? 5, 10, 15. Do you hear a pattern? Let's see if you can see a pattern. So I've made it in cubes. This would be a good strategy for this one. The best strategy is either draw a picture, which you can do, or use materials to show. So I've decided I wanted to show you with the materials. 5, 10, and when you're lining up your materials, make sure the bottoms are even. Can you see that? The bottoms are even. 5, 10, 15. What did I make next? Do you see the pattern? Oh, there it is. Can I show you the whole thing? Covers my words a little bit. There, I'll make it flat on the bottom. 5, 10, 15, 20. How many more flies each day? It's like we're adding 5 every day, isn't it? So here's our frogs. I'll put the frogs in green. Frog 1, frog 2, 3, 4, 5, and our question is about frog number 6, the 6th frog. How much will he eat? So how much does frog number 1 eat? We're going to make a chart. Frog number 1, there. A chart is just like a square around it. Frog number 1 eats 5. Frog number 2 eats, another frog eats 10. Frog number 3, 15. Frog number 4, that was our big one, 5, 10, 15. 5 more, which is 20. Frog number 5 will eat how many? 5 more? Right, 25. And how much will frog number 6 eat? Let's see if our pattern is correct. Let's read it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And the reason we've made it that way is that we noticed here, every time there was another frog, there was 5, it ate 5 more. Right? That's why we started the pattern 5, 10, 15, and then we went on to add 5 more each time. So what was our question? Look at your question every time before you answer it. If this pattern continues, it's an add 5 pattern, how many flies will the 6th frog eat? So let's answer that question. The 6th frog will eat 30 flies. Are you a person who likes to challenge yourself? Here's my question for you. How many flies will the 10th frog eat? if you want a challenge today, do that one for me. Please also do the one that's listed on the seesaw. But if you want a challenge, tell me also how many flies will the 10th frog